Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you had a fantastic day up to now, and if not, that's perfect. You are welcome here. Kick out your shoes and let's get creative. Create something glorious for our homes, our family and friends, and for ourselves. If it's only you that think your creations are glorious, so be it. I'm very excited to show this to you. In fact, I haven't seen it myself. I created a tile for my kitchen on which to put my pots. So what I did is used plastic, stapled it around, fitted it in, and then poured my concrete mix into this plastic. I shaked it to get the air bubbles out and then covered it, and it's been standing for about 2 weeks. I haven't forgotten about it, I was just busy with other things. So today I'm taking it out. So I'm just going to loosen it up a bit on the sides, and then I'm going to paint it. And this could serve for so many things. I'm sure you can make tabletops from it. You can make stepping stones from it. You can make shelves from it. You can make centerpieces from it. Let me see. I just wanted something very different and very unique. Now where to start here? Ooh. Ooh. Yes. It's going to do some work. Looks like I've waited too long. Well, let's see. I placed one of these mats at the bottom of it because I wanted the imprint in my concrete. And it looks, oh, I'm using a knife. Let's see. To take it off. Oh, oh, beautiful. There we go. There we go. It's full of holes, so some of the concrete went inside. And that was the idea. But I probably waited too long because I got busy with other stuff, but it's no sweat. I always work with a knife away so I don't stick it into my arm or my stomach. So be sure to consider the same thing unless you feel suicidal. You could always blame the concrete. What fun to make beautiful stuff. I seldom wear gloves when I work with concrete. My hands need to feel and almost like taste what I do. I only wear big gloves, strong gloves, when I work with the wet concrete. So you see, if you feel a little bit frustrated, you can start hitting something in your little workshop with concrete instead of hitting your husband or your child. Some people get paid to be a therapist for anger management. You can just do it at home. Go. Now, I'm just taking a piece of sanding paper and just smoothing it a bit. I don't want it to be like perfect. If I wanted a perfect towel, I would have bought one. But I want something that will fit into my kitchen. And if I want my patterns to be more prominent, I can use my Dremel and drill in between like you would in woodwork, but I don't. I want it the way it is. So this is the finished product and I'm really impressed. I really like it. So next time I do such a thing, I will just not be so lazy or so busy and just take it out on the third day like I usually do. So now I'm going to paint it, and if you want to see that, just stay tuned. I really like it. Let me just show you a little bit better. I really like it. I'm thrilled, in fact. Oh, there's a piece. There. go. Looks like all the pieces are off. So I've got some glue. I have burnt sienna, artist paint, and I've got some copper powder that I want to add to this, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Tap water. So I'm adding some glue. Oh, I'm first going to do the water. Let me first do the water. Concrete and water are best friends. Concrete grows stronger when it's kept in water. So where is that? Okay. I've got my big old paintbrush. The video stopped. So let me quickly fill in what I did and how I got to this. I've got burnt sienna, artist paint, mixed with cold glue and no water. I added no water to my paint, and then I used copper powder mixed with cold glue and a drop of water as shown in the video, just to make it creamy, and so I can do it like this. If you mix this copper powder with beeswax or any other kind of wax, you can use it on beautiful, stunning, awesome, amazing paintings that are there to make people stand in awe at your artist's ability. But if you are going to use it in your kitchen and you are going to wipe over it from time to time, I suggest you use glue. Thank you. And now I've got my my copper powder mixed with some cold glue, and really it's dryish, so I can dry brush it on. As you can see, it adds a lovely glow to my creation. It complements the natural concrete color. I'm going to add a tiny, and I mean a tiny drip of water. Because the glue dries very quickly, and I'm just mixing it, keeping my dryish thing, and I'm just doing it like this all over. It brings out the color of the burnt sienna. It complements the grey natural color, as I said, of the concrete. It will give me a softness, a warmth, a welcoming feeling when I walk into my own kitchen. It will feel happy. If you don't have happiness in your kitchen or any other space, create it. Don't wait for happiness to come to you, create it. Because you may wait for a very long time if you sit and wait for happiness. And yes, then happiness sometimes has to go because form comes and goes, but you can always create more happiness. So, and this is dry to the touch. I will lift it up so you can have a look. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you can use this idea and may it spark a billion ideas in your mind for your home, for your friends and your family. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Enjoy a lovely day and be blessed.